Hi guys. I just wanted to touch base with you and remind you to get working on the portfolio essay. We talked about it in class, and I really would recommend that you just think about those aspects. Make sure you're connecting the essay to the L4 competence, and also just start updating your portfolio. And that's really going to make week 9 and 10 easier for you. And the more work that you can do now, um, the softer landing we're going to have. I wanted to share an experience with you too. And this was on class on Tuesday. There was a question about um, good writing. And my response was, it really depends on the field that you are working in, and you have to look to see what's being written there. Good writing is contextual. And I had an experience that kind of illustrated this point, and I wanted to share it with you really quickly. So basically this morning, I received a note from a publisher saying that they were declining to publish an essay that I had written. It's disappointing. It's never the best piece of news. However, writing for publication, you just expect to get some rejections. But the rejection carried with it two pieces of advice, two options for how to proceed. The first option was to revise the essay and resubmit it, and basically revise it so it fit a different topic. Or the other suggestion was to take the same essay and just submit it elsewhere to a journal that had that published topics on a theme that was closer to what that was about. So basically, either completely redo the paper for the journal that I was writing for, or send it elsewhere. And that's really not a question about the quality of the writing. It's more a question of context. Where is it going to get printed? And I think that's just really something important to think about, because what we write isn't in a vacuum. Somebody's going to read it. They're going to be looking for certain things. And a lot of what makes a piece of writing good or successful or unsuccessful is the context and how well that piece of writing meets that context. So, just something to think about as you are going along, thinking about the context of SNL as you're working with this portfolio essay. If you're revising the persuasive paper, the problem solution paper, thinking about the context of the audience for that. And that might just make your papers a little stronger and more directed. Anyway, I hope you have a good weekend. I look forward to seeing you next week, and I look forward to reading your papers. Okay, bye.